Depending on the number of factors, whole numbers can be classified into three groups. The first group contains a number with exactly one factor. The second group contains numbers with exactly two different factors. The numbers in this group are known as prime numbers, or primes. The third group contains numbers with more than two different factors. The numbers in this group are called composite numbers. To find out whether a number is prime or composite, we check if it is divisible by all prime numbers less than or equal to its square root. This method is called trial division. For example, 129 is divisible by 3, therefore it is a composite number. Now, if we look at the number 29, it is not divisible by all prime numbers less than its square root. Therefore, it is a prime number. The process of expressing a number as a product of its prime factors is called prime factorization. First, divide the number by the smallest prime factor. Continue the process until we get 1. Therefore, 70 is equal to 2 times 5 times 7. We can find the square root of a number using prime factorization. Let's look at the number 225. 225 is equal to 3 times 3 times 5 times 5, which is the square of 3 times 5. Thus, the square root of 225 is 15. We can also find the cube root of a number using prime factorization. Taking the number 216 as an example, we can see that 216 is equal to the cube of 2 times 3. Therefore, the cube root of 216 is equal to 6.